Hello, SWAP attendees. My name is Trey Delcambre, and today I would like to present to you research we have been working on titled Searching for Truth, Truth Decay, Epistemic Beliefs, and Individual Differences. Epistemic beliefs refer to an array of individual beliefs we hold about knowledge and the foundations for understanding. They are concerned with where knowledge comes from, how is it integrated into our lives. And in essence, you can think of it as a lens through which we interpret information and discern whether or not that information would be a reliable source for building a foundation for knowledge. Our study was inspired by observing the growing trend in misinformation exchange and its influence in the phenomenon of truth decay. Previous research has begun unpacking epistemic beliefs, specifically for the issue of conspiracy thinking. However, today we were unable to find a reliable source for assessing a person's epistemic beliefs about truth. Because of this, we chose to develop our own questionnaire. This questionnaire is preliminary in nature, and we hope to continue working on it. However, these are the two research questions we asked. How do college students conceptualize truth? In other words, what are their epistemic beliefs about truth? And secondly, how might college students differ in their epistemic beliefs? What individual differences might help explaining these differences in conceptualizations? Our survey was a 47-item questionnaire in which we targeted 4 main aspects of truth: evidence of truth, characteristics of truth, origin of truth, and interaction with truth. These 4 categories were subdivided into 12 categories, which I have provided in this poster with example for each item. We collected data from 95 college students and asked them in our survey to rate the degree to which they strongly disagree to strongly agree with the 47 items that were provided to them. Through our analysis, a few interesting observations became apparent. The first is that college students consistently rated our authority items as an important criteria for determining whether or not a piece of information is true, specifically intellectual authority. So if we can think about scientists making scientific claims, or an individual we respect or has leadership in our lives. Another factor that emerged of interest was on the issue of tenacity. And for the tenacity items, college students consistently disagreed with those statements. That is to say, they rated them low in importance. So if we think about how often a piece of information is exposed to an individual, or how long this information has existed in time, through our study, we found that college students didn't find these factors as an important criteria. For individual differences, 2 interesting things were observed. Females consistently agreed that it was distressful for them to observe that experts were unable to agree on what was true. Another, but maybe not surprising, significant finding was that religious versus non-religious participants found that religious texts were an important means for determining what is true. We hope that this research was informative and inspiring for researchers to begin thinking about epistemic beliefs. And we hope that through some joint efforts that we will begin to further understand how misinformation exchange occurs and how people become susceptible to truth decay. Thank you.